If you're looking to get your car looking like it's brand new again, you're going to want a high-quality buffing pad. Whether you're using an buffer or doing things by hand, a well-made buffing pad gets the job done quicker, easier, and with better results. There are many products available to choose the best buffing pads, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chemical Guys Hex-Logic Buffing Pad Kit. This kit from Chemical Guys not only includes 7 buffing pads, but a bottle of polishing pad cleaner. While it's a bit more expensive than other products on our list, it's a comprehensive kit for cutting, polishing, and finishing. These Hex-Logic foam pads use premium high-density foam and cutting-edge pad designs with grooves in the face to spread the product around evenly. Also included with the kit is a 16-ounce bottle of foam and wool citrus-based polishing pad cleaner designed to break down and release product, remove paint, dirt, and contaminants from the polishing pads. Number 2. TCP Global 8-inch Wool Buffing Pad. The TCP Global 8-inch wool buffing pad is a pad designed for cutting, buffing, and polishing with compounds, glazes, and polishes. The pad wraps around the edges of the backing plate to provide the largest possible contact area and to reduce the likelihood of cutting or scratching your car's paint in concave areas. It should be noted that the pad contains a grip attachment for hook and loop backing plates, but the backing plate itself is sold separately. The inside edges of this buffing pad feature curved and reinforced plastic backing for smoother polishing and an extended pad life. Additionally, this buffing pad comes with an M14 drill adapter to allow you to attach the pad to a cordless drill, angle grinder, power buffer, or polisher. Number 3. Chemical Guys HEX 3 Kit 5. Engineered and developed for detailing professionals, the Chemical Guys HEX 3 Kit 5 further backs the idea that Chemical Guys offers some of the best car detailing products on the market. Similar to the other Chemical Guys buffing pad kit featured in this article, this kit features Chemical Guys Hex-Logic engineering, which allows the pads to apply buffing compound evenly to different surfaces. All 3 pads: the medium-heavy cutting pad, the light-medium polishing pad. A hook and loop interface makes pad installation a breeze, while Chemical Guys polishing pad cleaner allows you to clean and maintain your foam pads. Number 4. Meguiar's Supreme Shine Foam Applicator Pads. If you're shopping for buffing pads, there's a real good chance you recognize the Meguiar's name. The company is a leader in the car care industry and offers its 43 foam applicator pads as a standalone product. If you have ever used any Meguiar's polisher wax, you may recognize these pads as they're typically bundled with those products. They're available in a 4-pack at a real affordable price, designed to apply car polish, wax, or many other car care products. These pads are made of ultra-soft, tight cell foam to deliver a smooth, even application on all surfaces. Number 5. AutoCare Microfiber Wax Applicators. AutoCare offers a 10-pack of simple-to-use wax applicators at a low cost. These are soft and absorbent microfiber pads with premium 70/30ths blended microfiber, and they work great for applying waxes, sealants, glazes, dressings, and more. The pads are inside stitched 2 times to ensure the edges never touch the surface of your paint, and they can be re-washed multiple times, even in a machine. These pads are really ideal for light-duty use, such as routine maintenance and caring for your car. For the price and the fact that you get 10 pieces, it's a great product. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.